Hello everybody, welcome again to the robot steel structure course. In this lecture we want to draw the top uh, rails, the top beams of our steel structure. The section of these top beams or rails is C shape. We use this C shape for industrial using. So for the steel structure, this top C shape help for industrial using. So now we want to draw them. So we return to the robot. We go to the front view. We want to draw this top C shape each 2 meter and this on this bar. So first of all we must create a node each 2 meter and this bar. So we select this bar and we go to edit, divide, distance 2 meter. Here we select this option, generate node, without dividing this bar. We didn't want to divide this bar. Okay, so we press execute. Now this is the nodes that we want, and also we want to create each 2 meter. From here to here we have 2 meter. Now we go to edit, move, we want 6 for example. From here, before, let's put right click, snap setting, we put none, and we want to eliminate the error. We choose only nodes. Yes. Now we select this node, okay, and we go to edit, move and copy, for example 6, and from here to here we have 1 plus, we delete it. Now we want we go to the 3D, we select this, and this, again on the front, or we can show here the number of nodes. So we can select this and this node 2, okay, and this, then this 4, 5, 6, okay. Then this, sorry, we want to select this node, one, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Yes. And now we want to go to edit, move from here to this node. Yes. Now we go to the section and we define the C-shape section. Okay, for example, we press add and we go to bars, snap setting. Okay, close. From here to here, yes, and from here to here, yes. Let's delete. We must only, sorry, for the slab setting here, let's put none to ensure that we draw right, that our, yes, from here to here. Okay, this is the first, then from here to here, yes, exactly, from here to here. Must make attention when we want to draw, and from here to here. Okay, now we can show here. Okay, we want also to draw one, this, and from here to here, exactly. So now we can show the section. Also we have here one, from here to here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here we have 6, and we have here and the midnight. First of all, we want to select this and this. We must to select them, and the angle of this bar is 13.5, so we must put the angle of this C shapes with the same angle of this bar. So we select them and we go to gamma, we put minus 13.5. So we have rotated the C shape to be perpendicular on this bar. The angle is 13.5 because we have 3 sinus minus 1 of 3 over 12.5, we have 13.5 angle. So now also we must right click previous selection. We want to edit to geometry to release this shapes, paint, and we press apply. So we have released it. Now right click previous selection. We want to select this and this and this 6, and we want to mirror do a mirror. So we select them and we go to edit vertical mirror. We want to choose the location is here, so we have draw the C shape and the other side. We press close. Also we must check the local axis. The local axis must not be changed. Local axis system we can show here. Here the axis is the x-axis is the blue axis. Here is perpendicular to the bars, and the main axis is the y perpendicular on this side. Okay, and the weak axis is the z to the top. Here is the axis. The x-axis is perpendicular to this two bars. Y is the main axis and the weak axis is Z. Yes. So we didn't have a problem with the local axis. Now we want to select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 13, right? Yes. And we want to go edit, move and copy 15 from here to here. Yes, exactly. We press close and we want to delete this bar. Yes. Also we can eliminate the node. So we have draw in this section the top C shape for and S we're using, and now we want to group them. How we can group them? We can select like this and we go to here. We want only bar, sorry, we can go to here and select this plus. So we selected only the bars that we need. We can show here. Yes, exactly. We go to groups, new groups, right click, rename, C shape, industrial, beams, press enter. So we have the finishing from drawing the C shape sections at the top. Thank you for listening. We will continue on the next lecture.